everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm doing a video with my friend Raven. She and I have been planning this video for a little while now, but I've been on break, so this is actually my first official video back here in 2019. And Raven and I are doing a video doing monochromatic makeup based on the color of the year, and color of the year 2019 is Living Coral. You probably heard me mention it in the 2019 makeup tag. I was doing the coral memes from Walking Dead. I couldn't help myself. So, of course, I'm going to leave Raven's information down below, her video, her Instagram, and her channel. She does a lot of makeup rehab style videos. She does like project panning and videos like that. And I just really enjoy her content. She's a really cool person. And so I have part of my face already done. I don't have eyeshadow or rest of my face done, so I figured I would start with the eyes. I don't have actually a lot of coral makeup, but I do have some, and some that leans a little bit peach, so I figured that that would be okay. I told Raven if she didn't have a lot of coral makeup, you know, that would be okay to just use kind of peaches and just similar tones in that color family. So I'll zoom you in and we can just get started on the eyes. I'm going to see if I can take one of these blush colors from the e.l.f. Total Face palette and see if I can put them in the crease. They're both matte, sort of corally peach shades, very pale. So I don't have too many lighter matte coral shades, so I'm just going to see if these will work. I just want to get something pale in there first. Like, these are really pale, so they probably won't work for too many skin tones, but yeah, they are pretty. And then I'm actually going to take another e.l.f. blush. This is their highlighting blush in Candid Coral. It's just a little bit darker, so I'm hoping that this will deepen up my crease a little bit. And this does have a little bit of shimmer running through it, but not a whole lot, and I don't really care anyway if I put shimmer in my crease. Gave me a nice little base through the crease. I'm going to start working on the lid. I'm going to take this shade here called Sacred Heart. And this is sort of a satin shade, I suppose you would say. And it is a slight duochrome. It's sort of a coral with a slight pink, and I'm going to take that. I think I'll take that on this sort of fluffier Wet n Wild brush. This is more of a shimmer, not a satin. And I'm putting that on the outer corner and outer crease. It's very pigmented, so I don't really need a lot of it. And this brush, because it is a bit fluffier, I can use the tip of it to blend it out. On the inner lid, I'm going to take this little sample of Urban Decay Fireball, and this it's again kind of a pink coral duochrome, but in a different way from Sacred Heart. So I'm just going to go in and use my finger for this. You'll see in a moment it's got more of the pink to it than Sacred Heart. I think it'll go nicely. It's a bit more subtle. Might try then use this wet, actually. I'm going to take this Hard Candy matte setting spray I got for Christmas, and I'm going to spray it on a little brush. And that's hopefully just intensifying the color a little bit. Yeah, like Sacred Heart has more of an orange coral base, and this one has more of a pink coral base, if that makes sense at all. And the two just go together nicely. I feel like the blush shades I put in my crease have completely disappeared now. So I might have to add more of those through. Yeah, so I am going to take a little bit more of that Modern Coral e.l.f. blush and just blend things through the crease here. Especially towards the front. This is where I feel like I've lost any color. What did I get on my nose? I'm going to take a little bit more Sacred Heart on the lower lash line. I'm just running my fingers through my eyeshadows. I just jammed my thumb into one. And then on the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Cutoffs by Colourpop. This is a shade that my friend Camille sent me for Christmas. This looks like it's a little bit more of a peach shade. Peach pink duochrome. It's probably a little too dark for my brow bone, so I'm just going to take Quartz by Igneous Cosmetics under there, which is a satin white. I'm not going to do any eyeliner today. I'm just going to go straight into mascara using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. And of course, after I put my mascara on, I'm only just now realizing I did have another coral shade. This is Clementine. I think I'm just going to backtrack a little bit and put a little bit of that in my crease. And I feel like adding a bit of glitter, so I'm going to add Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Pyro on my inner corners. Just a little bit though, like I don't want to go overboard. So that's what the eyes are looking like. I'm going to use that same e.l.f. blush, the Candid Coral blush, for my cheeks. And taking a fluffier blush brush, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in Precious Petals. This is too dark for me, but I can wear it all over the cheeks as a blush topper. And it's sort of a golden peach. I just kind of add it as like an all-over shine. This is the NYC Showtime Lip Balm in Modern Coral. And lastly, I'm taking the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in Fireball. And this is the completed look. I know some of it's a little bit more peachy than coral, but overall I think it's pretty good. Can't wait to see what Raven comes up with. Again, I'll have her channel info and Instagram info down below if you want to check her out. I hope that you do. Thanks so much for being here in my very first video, official video of 2019. I hope to see you in my future videos. I post Mondays and Fridays here on this channel in the afternoons Eastern time. I'll see you soon. Bye everyone.